Hi, Assalamualaikum, Wanakum, and Tachahao. So today we want to explain about Laytime sheet calculation step by step. So before we start, I would like to introduce our teammate. So my name is Aidil Ikhwan bin Suhaimi S51447.
Hi, I'm Zulfazli bin Ahmad Tajuddin S50588.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Nabil Shamsuddin S50467.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nofati Najwa S50270. Before we start the computation, I will explain first what is laytime. Laytime is time allowed by the ship owner to the charterer or shipper in which to load or discharge their cargo. Laytime may be expressed in days, hours, and turn per days. Calculating laytime is to determine either we got the demurrage or dispatch, which is demurrage is fine and dispatch because we save time. We use time less than the time allowed. Okay, for the first step is determining laytime to commence. But we need to know first what is a notice of readiness or NOR. NOR is a notification given by the vessel to note that she is ready to start the charter service or is ready to load or discharge cargo. Giving an NOR has two purposes. First is to inform the charterer that the vessel is at their disposal, and the second is to start the running of hire or to start the laytime, to count the laytime. Okay, for the given question, all the steps need to follow the CP state, and the CP state that related here is laytime to commence at 1300 hours if notice is given before noon, at 0700 hours next working day if given afternoon. Notice to be given in ordinary working hours. In this question, NOR is standard at 1700 hours, Monday 3rd March. So, the loading will commence at 0700 hours the next day, which is Tuesday 4th March.
Okay, so next step is the second step, that is noting stoppage of loading. It's mean like the driver of the vessel or ship must have the driver checklist for loading or unloading. So as example, cargo to be loaded at the rate of 5,000 metric tons per weather working day of 24 consecutive hours. Means like the driver need to know the power of the metric tons of the vessel. Next is time from 17 hours Friday or the day preceding a holiday to 8 hours Monday or next working day, not to count unless used, but half of actual time used to count, unless vessels already on demurrage.
Okay, for the calculation step 2, for time to not to count which or we call that noting stoppage of loading, because of due to rain, we separate it into two, which is for weekdays and weekend. On weekdays, they said that 4th March, rain stopped loading on 1000 hours to 1600 hours, which is take 6 hours, they stop loading. And then on 7 March, on 0800 hours to 1100 hours, it takes 3 hours to stop loading. And the total due to rains on weekdays, which is 9 hours. Okay, and then we calculate on due to rain on weekend. On 9 March, there are 900 hours and 1200 hours, and 1300 hours and 1700 hours because of due to rain. So they have to stop loading for 3 hours and 4 hours. It takes 7 hours to stop loading on weekend.
So we go on the step 3 in calculating time use. How to calculate the time use? So we calculate from 7 AM in Tuesday until 5 PM Friday. So we get a total from the duration is 3 days 10 hours. So from that we minus with 9 hours the total time due to rain in the weekdays. So 3 days 10 hours minus 9 hours, we get 3 days 1 hours. Demurrage will start another 23 hours. However, in weekend, it counts as half of actual time use. So, on the weekend, we calculate 5 PM Friday until 9 AM Saturday. We get 16 hours. Then, we go on 12 PM Saturday until 1 PM Saturday. Total 1 hours. After that, 5 PM Saturday until 5 PM Sunday, we get 24 hours. And lastly, 5 PM Sunday until 10 PM Sunday, we get 5 hours. So, the total vessels not on demurrage is equal to 46 hours time use. Then we divide it by 2, we get 23 hours. So, this calculating continue on 10 PM Sunday until 12 PM Monday, which is host disconnect. So total we get 14 hours. So, and then we go to the next step, which is the step 4.
So the last step is calculating demurrage or dispatch, which is the fourth step, the last step. So demurrage or dispatch is a fine that applies to the ship because the ship's operation not follow the time allowed. So the cargo quantity 20,000 tons divided with demurrage rate 5,000 USD per day. So we got 4 days 00 hours. Demurrage start at 10 PM on Sunday and the host disconnect at 2 PM on Monday. So the total time on the demurrage is 14 hours. Next, to calculate the cost of demurrage, 15,000 USD per day divided with 24 hours. We got 208 USD 33 cents per hours. Finally, the total cost of demurrage we got 2,916 USD 62 cents. The amount we got after multiply the total time on demurrage upon to the cost of demurrage. So that's all the result of demurrage. Thank you. If you guys have any idea or inquiries, just comment at below at the comment section and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you guys. See you.